Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we are going to learn about how to sort a map using Java 8 Stream API. Okay, let's get started. So first here we will create one map. So first we will look into that before Java 8 how we sort the map elements. So if we want to preserve sorting order for map, then we can use directly tree map. So if we are using tree map, then it will sort all the elements of map in sorting order based on its key. So if we want sorting order based on its key, then we can go for tree map. So if here I will print all the elements of map, then we can see it will provide sorting order. So here we can see, run the Java application, and here we can see 1 is current, after that 5, 8, 19. So tree map provide the sorting order based on its keys. So if there is a requirement, we are using hash map and we need to provide sorting order based on its value. Then we can use collections.sort method. So here we just need to call collections.sort method. So here we need to use that method. So here we need to pass two arguments. One is the list and second comparator. So first we need to get the list from this map. Then we need to pass here. And what I will do, first we need to call entry set method, because sort method only accepted list as a argument. So it will return me the set of entry objects, and now I need to convert this entry object into list. So here I need to convert set into list. Then I will just create an object for list of names, new array list, and here I just need to pass this variable name as a argument. So it will convert our set into list. Now I just need to pass this variable name, that is the list of names, into our collection.sort method. So this way we use before Java 8. So we can say before Java 8 we follow that approach. And here we need to create new comparator object, and here we just need to pass this entry of string. This object we need to pass here, and here we just need to add unimplemented methods. And if we want to provide sorting order based on its key, then we just need to call o1.getKey minus o2.getKey. So it will provide me the all elements in sorting order based on map keys. So after that I just need to print all the elements. So here I will just use for each loop and print all the elements of list. List of names, el to get key, and also need to pass value, need to get value. So now if I will print these elements of map, then we can see it will provide the sorting order based on its key. So here we can see the output first 1, 5, 8, 19. Like this is a ascending order elements. If we want to provide descending order, then we just need to change value here. So here we can use O2 and here we need to use O1. So it will print all the elements in descending order. So here we can see 19 is first, then 8, 5, 1. So based on this, we can provide sorting order based on its keys. If we want to provide sorting order based on its value, then we just need to call get value function here. O1 dot get value, and as we know, value is a string. So we just need to call compare method, compare to method here. So it will compare, and inside this we need to call get value. So it will provide the sorting order of elements based on its value. So here we can see the output first A, then K, S, and in the last V. So if we want to print and store all the elements of map in sorting order based on its value, then we should go for this implementation. But after Java 8, there are new changes in Java, and here we can use Java 8 Stream API. After Java 8, Java also provided Java Stream API. So we just need to call stream method, and first we need to convert our map into stream. So first I will get entry set, then I will convert this set into stream, and after converting into stream we just need to call sorted method, and inside sorted method we just need to pass comparator. So here we just need to write map dot entry dot comparing by key. If you want to compare by key, then we just need to call comparing by key, then we need to print all elements. So here just calling for each method system dot out dot println. So here I am just using method reference to print all the elements of map, and here I will comment this part. So with Java 8 Stream API we can sort like this. We just need to write one line of code, and it's providing me sorting order based on its key. If we want to print all the elements in sorting order based on its value, then we just need to change the function here, comparing by value. So if I will run this again, so here we can see it is in ascending order, but based on its value of the object, that is A, then K, then S, and in the last V. But here we can notice that in this map we can see our map contain only primitive data types, that is integer and string. These two primitive data types that we are using in our map. So here our compare by key and comparing by value function is working. But if our map contains student object as a key or value, then we cannot use comparing by key or comparing by value methods directly. For this we need to use its another function, that is comparing by value, but we need to pass the parameter name on which basis we want to sort our custom object. Okay, let's see how to sort custom object, how to sort a map if it contains key as a custom object. So first we will check before Java 8 how we sort. After that we will use Java Stream API to sort the object. So here I will just create one map object, that is the map of student object. Here I am using as a key, and value will be like we can use integer, and map is equal to new tree map here that we will use because we need to pass comparator, and here we just need to use new comparator, and inside this comparator here we just need to pass our custom object, that is student, and here we need to add unimplemented method, and our student object contains multiple elements like student roll number, student marks, student name. So first here we will sort our map object based on student roll number. So here we can see student object containing lot four properties. One is roll number, name, subject and marks. So first we will sort based on its roll number. So here what we need to do, here we just need to call o1 dot get roll number, o2 dot get roll number. So it will provide me map in sorting order based on student roll number. And after that we just need to add few elements in this map dot put. So here just need to put student object. So here I am just adding few properties in this map, and here I have just added, and here we just need to change string. We are using integer. So after this we just need to check. So first I will comment this code, and here we just need to print this map. So here what I will do, we just print a map. So here we can see the output. First is the roll number 1, after that roll number 2, and after roll number 2 here we can see roll number 3. And so there are 3 students and all objects are stored in sorting order. So after Java 8 we can use Java 8 Stream API to sort the map. So now I will comment this code. So here we will use Java 8 Stream API. So here we just need to create one map object, and we'll use the same element. So here I will just create map of student comma integer map is equal to new hash map, and here we just need to add few properties. I have added few elements in our map object, and now here what I will do, first we need to convert our map into stream. So first I will call map.entry set, and after that I will just convert this set into stream. After converting stream we just need to call sorted method, that is the second one, that is using comparator as an argument. So here what we need to do, map need to call map dot entry, and inside entry we just need to call comparing by key, that second function. And here we just need to call comparator dot get comparing, and inside comparing function we just need to pass one function. So here we will use method reference. So here I will just call student get roll number. So it will provide me list of map, it will provide me the map object in sorting order based on student roll number. So after that we just need to print all elements. So here I will call for each system dot out. So here we'll use method reference to print all the elements. So now I will run the application and we will check the output. It will provide me all elements of map in ascending order based on student roll number. So here we can see the output. First is roll number 1, second roll number 2, third is roll number 3. And if we want to print all these elements in ascending order based on student name, then we just need to call get name method. So here we can go, and here we can copy this method, that is get name, and go to our sort map example and just replace name just replace roll number. Here now we are using get name, so I will run this again. So here we can see ascending order based on student names. First is A, after that K, and in the last is V. So like this we can use Java 8 Stream API to print all the elements of map in ascending order or descending order. If we want to print all the elements in descending order, so here we just need to call reverse method dot reversed. So it will provide me all the elements of map in descending order based on student name. So here we can see first is Vivek, after that K, and in the last A. So like this, if student map object also containing student in its value, and here it's containing integer, and we want to sort the object based on value. If it's containing student, then we can follow the same approach. Here we just need to change comparing by value method that we need to use. So like this we can use Java 8 Stream API and it will reduce the lines of code. Okay, thanks for watching this video.